Hi, everyone, and welcome back to the English Fluency Teacher channel. I'm thrilled to have you here with me today. We're about to chat about something so simple, yet absolutely essential to life: water. That's right. This video is all about the importance of drinking water and how it impacts your health in amazing ways. But that's not all. By listening to this video, you'll not only learn about water, but you'll also improve your English listening and speaking skills. Here's a fun tip for you to try while watching: shadowing. It's easy. Just listen to each sentence carefully, pause the video, and then repeat the sentences out loud. This is a fantastic way to practice pronunciation, intonation, and fluency. Are you ready to learn, practice, and stay hydrated? Let's get started. Now, before we get started, here's a little challenge for you. If you don't already have water nearby, hit pause, grab a glass, and sip along with me while we talk. All right, ready? Let's get started. Water is so much more than just a drink. It's actually the foundation of your health. Did you know that about 60% of your body is made up of water? That's right, more than half of you is water. It's involved in just about every function in your body, from your brain to your skin to your digestion. And the best part: staying healthy with water is simple, natural, and free. First, I want to talk about your kidneys. Your kidneys are like the body's personal janitors. They clean up waste and toxins from your blood, so these harmful substances can leave your body through your urine. But here's the catch: your kidneys can't work properly without enough water. Think of it like trying to wash dishes with barely any water. It doesn't work, right? Drinking enough water helps your kidneys flush out toxins and prevents unpleasant problems like kidney stones. Trust me, if you've heard about how painful kidney stones can be, you definitely want to make sure you're hydrated. But that's not the only thing water helps with. Ever had a headache for no clear reason? Maybe it wasn't stress or lack of sleep. It could have been dehydration. Here's how it works. When your body doesn't have enough water, your brain actually shrinks a tiny bit. I know, it sounds strange, but it happens. This shrinking pulls the brain slightly away from the skull, and that's what causes those headaches. It doesn't sound very fun, does it? But the good news is, rehydrating can prevent all of that. Your brain can stay comfortably cushioned, and you can avoid those annoying aches. Now, here's another thing about water that might surprise you. Staying hydrated directly affects your mood and reducing stress. When you drink enough water, your brain works better, making it easier to think clearly and stay focused. Hydration also reduces feelings of fatigue, which can affect your energy and mood throughout the day. On the other hand, dehydration can make you feel tired, irritable, and even stressed as your body struggles to function properly. Drinking water helps your body handle stress by supporting your nervous system and keeping everything balanced. When you're hydrated, it's easier to stay calm and positive. If you want to feel less stressed and more in control, make sure to drink water regularly and keep your mind fresh and relaxed. Speaking of feeling better, you've probably noticed how water boosts your energy. Ever hit that afternoon slump and reached for a cup of coffee or a sugary snack? Next time, try a glass of water first. Here's why. When you're dehydrated, your body struggles to deliver oxygen and nutrients to your cells. That's why you feel sluggish. Staying hydrated helps everything flow easily, so your energy stays steady. Now, For all of you listening who are thinking about ways to manage your weight, water is one of your best tools. I'll tell you a little secret. Not all hunger is real hunger. Sometimes your body is actually thirsty, but you might misinterpret that as feeling like a snack. Drinking a big glass of water before meals can help you avoid overeating because you'll feel fuller. And, of course, water is calorie-free, unlike soda or other sugary drinks. Just swapping those drinks for water can make a huge difference over time. And, healthy habits like these show on the outside too. Water is amazing for your skin. Drinking water is a simple and natural way to make your skin glow and look its best. When you stay hydrated, your skin stays moisturized from the inside, which helps reduce dryness and flakiness. Water also flushes out toxins that can cause blemishes, leaving your skin clearer and healthier. Staying hydrated improves your skin's elasticity, making it feel soft and smooth and helping to prevent fine lines and wrinkles. It gives your skin a fresh, radiant look by supporting healthy blood flow, which brings nutrients and oxygen to skin cells. If you want to achieve that natural glow, drink enough water every day. It's an easy step to keep your skin looking beautiful, healthy, and vibrant. Drinking water plays a key role in strengthening your immune system and keeping you healthy. When you stay hydrated, your body can flush out toxins more effectively, which helps prevent sickness. Water supports healthy blood circulation, allowing oxygen and nutrients to reach every part of your body, including your immune cells. These cells are your body's natural defense system, and they need water to work properly. Hydration also keeps your organs, like your kidneys and liver, in good condition so they can remove waste and harmful substances from your body. Without enough water, your body may struggle to fight off germs, making you more likely to get sick. Drinking water helps maintain the health of your cells, ensuring they stay strong and ready to protect you. By staying hydrated, you give your immune system the support it needs to defend your body against illnesses and keep you feeling your best. Make drinking water a daily habit and give your immune system a powerful boost. And you might be wondering, how much water should you drink in a day? While the general rule is about 8 glasses, it really depends on you and your lifestyle. If you're active, or if it's a hot day, you may need more. A good trick is to pay attention to your body. Don't wait until you're super thirsty. Instead, sip water throughout the day to stay ahead of dehydration. Now, I know drinking plain water all the time can feel boring, but don't worry, I've got some fun tips to make it more exciting. You can add slices of lemon, cucumber, or even berries to your water. Mint leaves are a great option too. These little touches make your water refreshing and flavorful without adding any sugar or calories. Drinking water is essential when you exercise or do any physical activity. It keeps your body hydrated, which helps you perform at your best. During exercise, your body loses water through sweat, and drinking enough water helps replace these lost fluids. Staying hydrated also regulates your body temperature, preventing overheating and keeping you comfortable as you move. Water supports healthy muscle function, helping to avoid cramps and stiffness that can slow you down. It also keeps your energy levels steady by helping transport nutrients to your muscles. Whether you're running, lifting weights, or playing sports, drinking water will keep you feeling strong and ready to give it your all. make it a habit to sip water before, during, and after your workouts to stay refreshed and perform like a pro. Drinking water is a great way to aid in weight control and support your fitness goals. Water can naturally reduce hunger by making you feel full, which helps you avoid unnecessary snacking. It also boosts your metabolism, allowing your body to burn calories more efficiently. Replacing high-calorie drinks like sodas or sugary juices with water is another simple way to cut down on extra calories. Staying hydrated also improves digestion, which is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. When your body has enough water, it can process food better and convert it into energy instead of storing it as fat. By drinking water throughout the day, you give your body the tools it needs to stay active, fit, and in control of your weight. Another common issue I hear is, I forget to drink water. Hey, it happens to all of us. But if you keep a reusable water bottle with you, it becomes much easier to sip throughout the day. You can even set alarms or reminders on your phone to nudge you. And if you work at a desk, always keep a glass of water nearby. Out of sight can be out of mind, but if it's in front of you, you'll naturally drink more. All right? Can we just take a moment to celebrate how incredible water is? Think about it. It helps protect your kidneys, prevent headaches, keep your skin glowing, support your digestion, boost your mood and focus, and even improve your immune system. It's like a magic health drink. And the best part, it's totally natural and accessible to almost everyone. Whether you're cooking, studying, or just relaxing, keep a glass of water with you and make it your goal to refill it as often as you can. Small habits lead to big changes. Now, let's move to the language takeaway segment of our today's video to boost your vocabulary. Hydrated. You probably heard this word a lot in this video. Hydrated means having enough water in your body to function properly. It's like keeping your body's water levels balanced. Example, staying hydrated prevents those awful dehydration headaches. Flush. This word came up when we talked about how water helps your body. To flush means to clean something by flowing water or liquid through it. Example, water helps flush out toxins that can harm your body. Dehydration. Dehydration is the state where your body doesn't have enough water to work properly. This one's super important to know. Example, dehydration can cause headaches and even affect your focus. Boost. Boost means to increase or improve something, giving it extra power or support. Example, drinking water gives a boost to your immune system. Sluggish. Sluggish means slow, tired, or lacking energy. Example, if you're feeling sluggish in the afternoon, try drinking a glass of water. Nutrients. Nutrients are the substances in food and water that your body needs to grow, stay healthy, and get energy. Example, fruits and vegetables are full of nutrients that are good for your body. Accessible. Accessible means easy to reach, use, or understand. Example, water is one of the most accessible health tools you can use. Prioritize. This means to treat something as more important than other things. Example, I always prioritize my assignments before focusing on less important tasks. Stay sharp. This is a casual way to say stay alert or stay focused. Example, staying hydrated helps you stay sharp and productive all day. Out of sight, out of mind. This is an idiom. That means if you don't see something, you'll forget about it. Example: if your water bottle is out of sight, out of mind, you might forget to drink water. All right, everyone, that's it for today's episode. I hope this video not only inspired you to drink more water, but also helped you practice your English listening skills. If you found this helpful, or if you enjoyed learning something new today, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure to share this video with your friends who are trying to improve their English or who might need a little reminder to drink more water. Thank you so much for tuning in. Remember, small habits can lead to big changes, and the same goes for practicing your English. Keep listening, keep learning, and keep trying. I'll see you in the next episode. Take care, stay hydrated, and bye for now.